Wire stripper strips 8 to 18 Aruban Florins solid and 10 to 20 Aruban Florins stranded wire. Large knurled plier tip pulls and twists wire. Shear cutting knives for easier cutting of copper wire and larger material such as Romex cable, all sizes, and other nonmetallic, type NM, sheathed cable. Screw shearing for 6 to 32 and 8 to 32 screws and wire looping hole. Made in USA. Klein-Kurve comfort grip handles for reduced hand fatigue. Hot riveted joint prevents wobble and separation of the blades over time. These forged, heavy-duty wire strippers have shear cutting knives for a lower force to cut copper wire and larger cable such as Romex and other nonmetallic, type NM, cable. Updated design features 6 stripping holes for 8–18 Aruban Florins solid and 10–20 Aruban Florins stranded wire. Top reviews from the United States. Good product. As usual, another great good product from a good company. I would recommend.